Hello everyone, just a quick video today. I just thought I'd show you this quick video. It's just grey and miserable on the farm again today, but we won't dwell on the weather. Today just showing you this quick video of our neighbours ploughing. They're on ground what we rent as well, but they're ploughing for maize, 2 John Deere. I think they're 270, or they could be close to 300. I can't remember what they are now, but they're just going below the trees there. We'll see them turn around and go back up in a minute, and over the back there they're spreading muck as well. But I just thought I'd show you this quick video of them on ploughing, and they should be on the way back up yet. They planted the field just, well, this is our wheat here just in front, and just above it is they planted that yesterday afternoon. But you'll start to see them go back up in a minute. 2 of them tandem ploughing. I think they're 6 furlong ploughs. As you see them go back up in a minute. That's the one. And then the other one will be following in a minute. We don't actually grow maize on our farm, so that's why at the moment we're just maintaining and keeping up the kit, and we're in the process of cleaning out chickens next week. Well, you'll see a video on that shortly next week. There they both go. 6 furlongkins there. You don't usually see tandem ploughings, not very often. No, but some people still do it. And I don't think they're spreading, I think they've gone from over there. There they go. Up the field. And just to say, next week we will be cleaning out chicken muck out the shed, so we'll be doing a video on that, seeing us going out the shed with the loader. And this is our wheat here as well, you can see just in front of us. But I just thought I'd show you this quick video of them ploughing. Well, till next time, if you like the video, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel, and till next time, and like as well. And I'll say again, I'll try to say it again properly this time. Till next time, bye bye for now.